Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook game installation error. If you're not being able to install Facebook gaming application for your Android device, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If you're trying to download Facebook gaming application for your Android device, but you're not being able to do so, then here's how to fix the issue. The first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. If you already have it turned on, then simply tap open your flight mode. Now wait for quite some time and turn it off back again. Give it a few seconds for your mobile device to connect to the internet, and once you are, go ahead and try installing the application again. If that worked for you, then it means your problem was internet related. Once you have a stable internet connection, you should be fine. If that still does not work for you, then the next thing to do is to simply restart your Android device. Hold the power button and tap on the restart button and reboot your system. Once you reboot your system, simply go back to your Play Store and now try installing the application again. If that still does not work, then you should go and check your software update for your Android device. Simply tap open your settings button from your Android device, and from the settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on software update. Tap on download and install button in the top of the screen and check for any updates available for your Android device. If you find an update, simply go ahead and update your application to the latest software, and once you do that, you should be able to solve the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are having problem with your Facebook gaming application installation. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.